Squads, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got Nissin with their Firewok Screamin Sichuan beef, hot and spicy. So this is a pack version of the popular Firewok range. One sachet. Noodle infused with pepper. 3 minutes. And go. So what's happening for you all? You know me, I'm just cooking up some noodles this morning. This is the 5th noodle I'm cooking today. What do you think of that? Is that excessive? I would go so far as to say that's rather excessive. It's a lot. I need something to put in 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of water. I will use it. Because that's what you are told to do. Let me double check that. Because the last thing I want to do is incorrectly. Yep. Same as the other one. Same as it ever was. 1 and a 2. Yes, that's what you're supposed to do. It won't be just hot ramen ready to go. Yeah, it's gonna be just fine, folks. It's gonna be fine. Now, the other one, which was spicy chicken, that one was, what, 4 out of 6 peppers on their little spicy chart? This one's 5 out of 6. It's funny because it's like I review things with 5 stars, not 6. So it's like the more that you have, I'm guessing too, the less difference there is in incremental value. I mean, if it was like 2 out of 3 versus 3 out of 3, that could be quite a jump in heat. But I don't know. Who knows if that? Yeah. This particular song reminds me of when you do a premiere on YouTube. I gotta say. But yeah. So I think we're gonna go do an Amazon return in a bit and go get a couple things. Then come home and I'll start doing video junk, and then this video will come out tomorrow. That's the plan. Alright. That's what I'm planning on doing, at least. Alright, let's drain the noodle, as it were. They're having a fun time session in the living room right now. I think I'll have them join me for the mukbang, which will be coming up next on the big show. There will be a mukbang. Hopefully tomorrow morning's an interesting day. I mean, usually the episodes that you see of Instant Noodle Recipe Time are way far flung. They're like, I did them, what? All I know is the last episode I did a few minutes ago is going to be scheduled for release late April. I think it's about getting into May now for episodes. But right now it is December 21st, and tomorrow is December So here is what we got. I don't know if I'm getting a Sichuan aspect at all, but we'll see. And I'm not gonna taste it now. I'm gonna taste it for the mukbang. Simmer down out there, you children, you. You. They certainly make a lot of horrible noises, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to have them on my program. Simmer down! You're driving me batty out here. Are you listening? Are you listening to the sounds coming out of my face? I'm telling you to shush and simmer down. Okay? Yeah, they're gonna be like crap. Don't be a couple of bums. And being a beef variety, I'm adding beef. A little sideline of beef here. This is simply stir-fried beef that I sauteed with a little bit of Maggi seasoning. Maggi seasoning is good stuff. There's that. No! Mimi just had a birthday. She just turned 7. And she got a gift card for Amazon. And what did she do with it? She got walkie-talkies. I would have done that when I was a kid. They're incredibly annoying, though. And by incredibly, I mean like really, totally. I think they're going to end up getting a loss on the walkie-talkies. I don't know. But I know there's more noisy toys on their way. It'll be Christmas in a mere nickel's worth of days. Is that a term? Some spring onion. I don't know if I like how this is looking. And I'm really getting unhappy because I don't know how well mung bean sprouts will look at this. But I've got mung bean sprouts that will expire Christmas Eve, which is great. That's a great life for mung bean sprouts. And I want to use them, but whatever. They can live right there. What else can we do to this? A little bit of sesame seeds. See, I'm trying to leave a bald patch in the middle. I had a bald patch in the middle, and so I decided to start shaving my head. That seemed the right thing to do. But yeah, my initial tastes from the mukbang will be right there. I think that's what we got. Screamin in Sichuan province. I don't know if that's a good thing. All right. Well, like I said, since this is a spicy one, you'll see me scarf it down on the next episode of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where I don't jump around and act like an idiot just because something says it's spicy. I act like an idiot because it's my way. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.